This is so gorgeous.
You like it, huh?
I love it. I feel like I've come home. I really do.
Well, you have, in a way. Sammy, I have a confession to make. I've been trying to work up the courage to tell you.
Sounds serious?
It is.
I know. You're married already. And the first Mrs. Lavery won't divorce you, is that it?
No, you are the first Mrs. Lavery. Except my mother, that is.
Anything else we can cope with? What's that?
It's the house.
Oh, I know, it's a bit untidy, but I love it just the way it is. I really do.
That's what I'm afraid of. That you love it. Do you remember when we were having all the financial difficulties and I had to raise money for the fine?
Yeah.
We sold the house. We sold it. I only did it with one major stipulation, though, that the new owners would let us spend our honeymoon here. I would have told you sooner. I wanted everything to be... I wanted everything to be perfect. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Everything is perfect. I'm here with you in Scotland. It's perfect. The ones in the other side. It's so beautiful.
Yeah. It's always been like this, for as long as I can remember.
Yeah. I could see it. I mean, if this is back in the States, we'd covered by condominiums by now.
Covered in what?
Condominiums. Condominiums.
Say it again. Condominiums. No, you're right. You are right. You're right. You know, the sky's looking ominous.
It can't be ominous because we're on our honeymoon.
What? You mean it can rain on our parade?
Oh, dear.
Oh, figuratively speaking.
I don't want to hear about it, thank you very much.
No actuality. I mean, just to possibly just... Whoops.
Oh, no. Oh, no. It can't rain. We just got here.
Well, this is Scotland, love. The country's not about to change its habits for a lifetime. It always rains here. Cover yourself. Quick.
Okay.
Go on. Quickly.